The Flume flow. Parshall Interactive Calculator solves hydraulic calculations for partial flumes in open-channel flow applications. Let me walk you through the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Flow rate from head measurement, head from known flow rate, submergence correction factor, throat velocity analysis, critical depth in throat, or flume size selection. For this demonstration, we're using flow rate from head measurement. Enter your throat width W in feet. Next, input your head measurement HA, which is the upstream water depth. The flow rate Q field is used in other calculation modes. Downstream head HB represents the water depth after the flume. Finally, maximum expected flow and minimum expected flow help with flume sizing calculations. Using our example values, throat width of 3 feet, head measurement of 0.5 feet, and downstream head of 0.38 feet. After clicking Calculate, we get a flow rate Q of 0.3395 cubic feet per second, which converts to 152.37 gallons per minute in volumetric flow. The throat velocity is 2.716 feet per second with a Froude number of 0.677, indicating subcritical approach flow. The transition depth shows 0.350 feet. This tool streamlines your partial flume design calculations. Find the link in the description below.